Guys, welcome back to my channel. That's True It with Nikki. This is Nikita here and I'm back again today with a new clothing haul. But for today's video, I'll be showing you all the casual outfits that I have purchased, and these are all in the range of less than 500 rupees. You all the 5 clothes that I have picked up from Meesho, and these are all comfortable casual clothes which you all can easily wear and rock through the week. I've also picked up traditional Indian wear, which is in the category of less than 500 rupees, but I thought like I'll put all the Indian wear together in one video. So maybe in the next video I'll be showing you all the Indian wear that I have purchased, and they are all superb. But for today's video I'll keep it short and sweet. So all of you who don't know about Meesho app, and if you haven't watched my previous video, which was a clothing haul from Meesho app again in the price range of less than 300 rupees. Meesho is India's favorite app from where you can buy top quality products at lowest ever prices, and it has trusted 1 crore plus users across India. And you can choose from 50 lakh plus products across men's and women's fashion, kids wear, home, kitchen and much more. And I have also mentioned about one more point in my previous video, that is even earn money on Meesho by sharing and reselling your products to your contacts via Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and other social media platforms. Before I start showing you all the things that I have picked up, I just want to sincerely thank each and every one of you, especially my faithful subscribers who always make it a point to comment and maybe like and motivate me all the time. Busy sometime with my other job. I make it a point that whenever I'm free, I come and I reply. But I just want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. Once again, a reminder that I'll be sharing the product codes in the description box of each and every product that I'm showing you all right now, so that it becomes easier for you all to search it from the Meesho app directly. Also, don't forget to get your first order discount of rupees 100 or flat 30% off by using the link in the description box to download Meesho app. Additionally, the best thing about this app is that you get free delivery on all your orders, and cash on delivery option and easy returns are also available. So let's get started. So the first product that I have purchased in this category is this black trouser. This is the trendy sensational women trouser, and this is just for 370 rupees. This trouser is extremely comfortable. It has this pockets, 2 pockets on the side. And I went for size 32 because this trouser here has elastic at the back, which makes it very comfortable, and it is not fitting at the same time. It's very comfortable and loose, and I think every girl or every woman likes to wear comfortable clothes. I'm a person who goes for comfortable wear because I believe when you're comfortable you feel good. And the material used over here is cotton, and the quality is also very good. It's a full length trouser and it's not tight at the bottom too, and you can easily wear this trouser at your workplace or your college function that you go for, and you can easily pair it with a formal top, t-shirt or maybe even a blazer. It's going to look excellent. And one more good thing about this trouser is that it has this pleat kind of pattern next to the pockets, which makes it stylish. This trouser can easily give you a formal look or maybe even a casual look during the entire week, and it totally depends on what you pair it with. There are many sizes available in this trousers too, and you can choose from black and brown color. The second thing that I have picked up from Meesho is this trendy women sensational hoodie, and I went for it because I'm a person who likes to again wear full sleeves, and as you all can see, it has this simple stripe kind of pattern at the sleeves, which I loved when I was searching for things that I wanted to purchase. And you can even put on this cap sometimes when you're feeling cold, and I think this is a perfect casual attire which you can easily wear during the week, and you can even wear it as a winter wear. Looks stylish. It's a hoodie and it is also a crop top at the same time, so it is going to look amazing. And there's this thing over here which you can adjust accordingly or maybe tie a knot. The fabric used over here is cotton. This hoodie over here is just for 322 rupees, which I again found it very cheap, and the quality is amazing. And I'm definitely going to wear this many more times because the top is so simple, elegant, stylish. I can easily pair it maybe with a blue denim or a black denim. You can choose from small size, medium size, large size, and there was one more size called as the free size. I went for free size because free size mostly fits everyone and anyone. The next product that I picked up is this colorful, vibrant sweater kind of crop top, and I really found it really pretty and very colorful. And I'm also a person who likes bright colors and dark colors, so I went for this because I couldn't keep my eyes off it. So this is a Naughty Needles women's multicolor crop top, and it's also like a sweater. And the best thing about this is it is again very comfortable and very breathable. It has this proper kind of sweater kind of material, and as you all can see over here, it has a round neck and the sleeves are regular, it's not full sleeves. I like the choice of colors that are there over here. Again, I have gone for free size. This is also going to look so pretty and colorful, and I am going to mostly wear it inside a denim jacket or something. So this is one more top which you all can easily add into your casual or maybe even a party outfit. And this colorful crop top, which is just for 364 rupees, I find it's extremely appealing and also stylish. So all the girls who go to college, I think this will look extremely amazing on you all. If you pair it with a denim jacket and a denim, it's going to look mind-blowing. And you're definitely going to enhance your wardrobe by adding this colorful and vibrant crop top to the addition of other things. Next thing that I went for is this trendy cotton women jeggings, and this kind of looks like a cargo pant. I'm a person from childhood who's a big fan of pockets, and I love these kind of cargo pants which have a lot of pockets in them. So this pant has one pocket over here at the two on both the sides, and again additional beautiful pocket over here. So it has total of 5 pants. A good thing about this is it gives you a jeggings kind of fitting at the bottom, which makes it a little tight. Again, elastic over here, and I really love this color, this kind of chutney color, so I went for this. I went for size 32. The quality is amazing, and this jeggings is just for 464 rupees. So this cotton jegging, which is like a stylish cargo pant, is totally worth your money. Moving on to the last thing that I have purchased is I went for this denim jacket in bright orange color, because if some of you know me very well, I love orange color. It's kind of my favorite color. Whenever I go for shopping or anything, I always go and select orange color. So this is the Summon Fashion full sleeve denim jacket. I went for size XL in it because I like wearing jackets or any denim jackets which are little loose compared to my actual size. So I always go for 1 or 2 size bigger. Very simple, stylish and elegant at the same time. So this can be easily worn as a casual outfit, and you can even wear it like a party outfit. You can again choose from a variety of sizes. I went for XL. I'm a person who always likes to go for jackets because it is so simple and it makes you look very rich and polished. The use for this jacket is cotton, and the quality is good. It's not like a thin kind of material. It's a proper thick jacket kind of material. So this can be worn even during winters. I like to just wear a slip inside these kind of jackets and leave the buttons open, and you can just wear a simple denim below this and you are going to look beautiful. And the entire jacket has this beautiful detailing of this closure buttons over here. Have these buttons even at the back of the jacket at the bottom, which makes it little stylish, and when you wear these kind of denim jackets, I think you look very sophisticated. And 416 rupees is totally a steal dealer. All the girls who want to look cute, I think you should go for this denim jacket and just tie a high pony and you're going to look fabulous. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, which was a clothing haul again from Meesho app. and these were all the casual outfits which were under the range of 500 rupees. Please comment below and let me know which was your favorite outfit from the things that I have shown you all. There was one more casual outfit which I had ordered which was under the range of 500 rupees but it did not get delivered yet. So I'll show you that maybe in the next video. And also press the bell icon if you want to be notified when my new video comes in. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your other female girls or your friends. I will see you soon in my next video, which is mostly going to be a clothing haul of only traditional clothes. So be safe, take care, bye bye.